Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna do a haul video which is mainly from Nykaa and Amazon. So let's get started. I have two Nykaa packages. This one is heavy and a small one. So let's see what is inside. Okay? तो चलो साथ में देख लेते हैं बॉक्स के अंदर क्या क्या है. Let's unbox. Okay, तो चलो let's see. Oh my god, almost everything is packed in one single box, you see. First one is this is the shampoo. I use this shampoo because my hair is colored and I need a color protect shampoo. It works very well for my hair. Okay, I was very excited about this one. This is Nykaa Wanderlust Swiss Vanilla and Cedarwood ETP. I use the same body mist and I love the fragrance because it is very sweet vanilla and perfect for this weather, fall winter. The next one is Sirona Blink and Glow Facial Razor. I use facial razor to remove the unwanted facial hair and to clean up my face basically, and I don't do any threading. A top coat. Yeah, my nails are done now, but I still need top coat to protect the color of the nails sometimes. So it is a men's deo from Adidas. The fragrance is good. ELF Wow Brow Tinted Gel. This is the gel eyebrow I use almost every single day because I'm too lazy to do my brows with pencil, you know. It is the Body Shop British Rose hand cream. The fragrance of this hand cream is so yummy, and if you love floral fragrance, it's a must have. ओके तो चलो देख लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट में है माय गॉड ए बंच ऑफ शीट मास्क फ्रॉम टोनी मॉली. लेट मी शो यू. Got these two, then this, the same one rice, and the last one is tea tree. It's definitely my monthly purchase, but I change the brands of sheet mask sometimes. Not always I use Tolly Molly. Sometimes I use Quench, sometimes from Miniso or any other brand. So देख लेते हैं नेक्स्ट में क्या है. This is Quench Dart Dissolving Balm. You can see, right? It is very useful when it comes to double cleansing your face. I use it sometimes twice a day, sometimes not, sometimes regularly once a day. And generally what I do is I put it on my face just like a balm, massage it very well, and it dissolves the dirt, makeup, grease, whatever it is on your face. Then I cleanse with any cleansing wipe, and then after that I of course wash my face with face wash. I was very excited for this one. This is Pixie on the Glow Blush, and this is in the shade Ruby. I have the shade Juicy. You have seen me applying Juicy or in almost every vlog wherever I am getting ready. So Juicy is a peach toned or coral toned shade, and this is a ruby toned shade. I am opening it up for you to show you the shade. Let's see. And if I swatch it on my hand, it will look like this. and it has also a gluey kind of finish. And next I have for you is MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. It's a mini one. I have used this shade so much in past. You can see it, right? A single swatch. It's pretty neutral, kind of peachy nude shade. Venus Comfort Glide for my body shaving. It is very soft on my skin, at least it is my experience that it is a better swap than any other razor because it has a kind of soapy texture on the blade, so it doesn't hurt the skin. I have sensitive skin, okay, so as per my experience it's pretty good. It is Mars Puffs for face puffing, so cute, see the color. Lineage Waterbank eye cream, under eye cream. It is very hydrating under eye cream. I bought it for this winter and my under eye tends to get very dry during this season and it works best on my skin. See, that is inside. Okay, it has Quench sheet mask, 4 of them. Whatever I have experienced from my use, this sheet mask is very hydrating and brightens up my skin instantly. As per my experience, it's pretty good. Now I am moving towards Amazon Parcel. Oh, so cute! Let me open it up. So cute, so aesthetic also. I can decorate on my background, and the flowers and the detailing, see, so intricate, and the bow, everything is so aesthetic here. You will need a scissor to open it. Okay, this is a very useful thing. I already use it in my car. If you are on my Instagram, you have seen me in my car photos or videos. This is for seat belt. It's a cushion for seat belt. Whenever we wear the seat belt, it glides on this area, right? So this area tends to get scratched or it is not good for the skin and not comfortable for long rides or driving. Or if you are sitting on the seat wearing a seat belt, that is also very uncomfortable. So I always use this kind of padding. Here it will be your seat belt and you just lock it up and you are good to go. Open it up. Is a cushion for chair. In the chair we use it with the dining table or any chair, plastic or wooden chair. You can wrap it up on the back and on the sitting area of the chair. It has a kind of elastic thing, so you can put it on the back of the chair, this thing, and the bottom thing will be placed on the sitting area. So it will be very comfortable to sit on the chair for a long time, and it will be cozy also and also look good. The next thing is a mini decor table which is portable, like foldable. These are the legs of the table, wooden finish or wooden, I don't know. This is the top of the table. It is wrapped. Let me unwrap. So this is the top of the table. Not so small. You can keep decor items like this here. Yeah. On the top of the table you can also put a coffee mug or anything useful with the decor item. I'm setting up the table for you. It is very easy to set up, just see, I'm doing it in minutes. Very lightweight also, I'm literally doing this. Okay, see, this is the full look. You can see, right? This is the full size of the table. You can keep indoor plants here, decorating, or any small decor pieces with indoor plants. It is very versatile. The hexagonal design is looking very aesthetic. This is the top. So today I am done with all the unboxing, and just let me keep it here while saying you goodbye. Yeah. So today I'm done with the unboxing of Nykaa and Amazon, and you can check the details of the products from the description. So for now, let's end today's vlog here. Stay fit, stay awesome. I love you. Bye.